on fire. I knew these would come in handy someday. I'm undone. Oh, tension, tension on the rod. What? You got to be out of your mind. Come on, come on to the fabulous Mighty Missouri River Carp Mania. Starring, you guessed it, Carp Girl. Because why? When we don't catch catfish, we resort to carp fishing. So stay tuned, everybody, and join this outdoor wicked adventures. Hello there. Did you miss me? Let's get our rods out. Of course, like I said earlier, we're gonna set up these bad boys for some catfish and the rest for carp. So let's hit the mighty mo. It doesn't look the most promising, but we're gonna give it a go. Someone even left some nice firewood. All right, guys, now we wait. Let's see what happens. All right, let's go ahead and get quick fire started so we can have s'mores for lunch. Who says that you can't? Fire started so that we can cook our s'mores. We're cheating. Last time I came out, cooked myself a wiener. The dang fire took longer than it did to eat the wiener. All right, I think I got it sorted out. I don't even want this one. Super deep right there, so I don't know about that. That's like where I need to put my cat rod, probably. Oh, on fire! Is this our world record or state record? Man, we got peanut butter and grimace out here. That black and teal one, though, we don't have a name for that one, you guys. So we really should get that figured out. So if you got a name for it, let us know. Oh my gosh. My freaking thing just came undone. Oh, tension, tension on the rod. Don't lose GoPro. You're standing on a log. Oh boy. Is this your state record? It doesn't feel like it, but you never know. What? I feel like I just saw a little jumpy over like right on the... Come on, baby. What are you looking like? What are you looking like? Man, I can't even see him yet. Oh, what? You got to be out of your mind. That ain't no state record, and that ain't no carp. Well, I was just telling Jeremy I was like real jealous that he keeps catching these blue cats. I guess I've been doing it all wrong because I just needed corn. Oh my gosh, you're freaking awesome. Oh, burpee, burpee. Oh my gosh, that's freaking great. I'm in love. What's happening? Oh my gosh, that's freaking funny. I know. Oh no. Whoa, your belly is big. What do you have going on here? All right. Oh no. Ow. Ow. Come on. Ow. Ow. Gosh. Missouri River blues are freaking so mean. Oh gosh. Wow. You guys asked me where do I work out? It's the riverbank. But this is the one we need a name for. Oh, that's so funny. I knew these would come in handy someday. Some fish. I was thinking about making a teeny group. Alright. That's funny, y'all. I was telling Jeremy I wanted a blue, and I got a blue on corn, on Carpy Grimace rod, his rod. Not a state record, but that's freaking awesome. We'll weigh him for fun. I'm bad at guessing weight, so we'll weigh him for fun and just see how big he is. Oh my gosh. He's like ticked off. Kind of surprised. I mean, I'm happy, but surprised the grips are holding up like they are. Alrighty. Pounds. So we're zeroed. Solid 9-pound blue on my carp rod. On corn. Oh, that's freaking awesome. All right, man, my grips, these little teeny grips are holding up good. All right, let's get them back in the water. That's funny. All right, let's let this guy go. Whew. That is funny. Gosh. Whoa. That is like a funny, but that's also like an awesome day because, ow, man, you're so mean. I'm glad these like grips are holding up. You're fucking meanie. But awesome. Super awesome of you to join us. You freaking man. You freaking man. Oh, man. Bye. Till we meet again. Oh, guys, that was freaking sweet. All right, well, let's get our corn rods back out. Good old Missouri River barge. Man, they are just neat. Neat. Giant beastie machines, man. So cool. I love when these things come through. I ain't never really had a barge bite, but I wait for it every time. So we'll see. We'll go work on this fire some more and watch the barge come through. That's freaking awesome. Can I interest you in a cold refreshment while we wait for these waves to finally calm down? 30 minutes later and it's still freaking waving. At least that fire's roaring. Whoa, getting there. We're coming in hot. At least the barge brought us good fire juju vibes. Now we can make our s'mores lunch. Because I want them to be like melty perfect by the time we go dink around at the little pond over there. Get ourselves prepped here for the most perfectly melted s'mores. Shoo. Let's get roasted toasted. Roasty toasty. Boop. Boop. Those look pretty toasted to me. Let's go ahead and get them on our graham crackers and chocolate. Whoa. Ooh, those are like perfect, like toasty on the outside, but obviously that one just like, oh, that's like perfect. Gently, oh my gosh, that's like melting it already. Okay, so that's freaking awesome. Oh my gosh, wow. Too much, too much, too much, too much. Oh my gosh, that's freaking great. Oh no! We fell into love. Too much with the s'mores. We forgot about our rods. We're on the log again. What are you doing all the way over there? Oh no. What are you doing? Oh no, we're in our other one, but that's okay. Maybe we went over it. What? What is with these freaking catfish? Like, I have catfish bait out for your freaking grandma, man. Why are you snatchies eating the corn? What in the world? Like, I am gonna be cursed forever because I threw a fit about not catching Missouri River catfish. And now I'm going to be cursed. Cursed with blue cats on corn. Oh my gosh, let's give you a kiss. It's so awesome. Ow, ow, you're like mighty for a little tiny freaking cutie. All right. Bye. Oh my gosh, that is freaking awesome. Freaking awesome. Okay, I guess we'll get our corn back out. Have the first two, whoa, getting wrapped so they don't blow away. And I'm making a couple more because you never know how late you're staying. And s'mores are good anytime. We already established that. So, and then yes, my s'mores packs go back in the cooler bag. Bama Bonus Mountain Dew to reharden because I'm a weirdo. Stay tuned. All right, we have a wee bit of sunlight. At least if we can go get a spot and get set up before dark, that'd be awesome. So let's head over there. I guess we'll try this little mud hole and see if anything lives here. It looks like there's movement, so who knows? Only if you try. Yes. I am not gonna lie, I'm getting excited for these, so I'm gonna take a bite and then I'm gonna get one rod out there. Oh my gosh, creamy goodness. Yes, love it. Oh my gosh, awesomeness. Now it's like perfectly melted, not too hard, not too soft. It's delicious and perfect. Mmm. Mmm. All right. I keep seeing them on the top. No bites on bottom, so yeah. we're trying to bobber. And we're only putting it like this deep. And we'll see. Oh, now we're getting dark. Freaking eerie full moon over there. What are you? Hey. Hey. No. Yep, definitely the raccoon running towards us was game over for me. That means time to head back home, get some shut-eye. Those blue cats were freaking awesome. So, yeah, Carp Mania didn't turn into Carp Mania at all. All right, I love you guys. If you like my weird, quirky videos of us just goofing around, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you guys for watching. Stay wicked, y'all. Is this like hit every train on the way home this evening? Is this what the full moon is bringing me?